Testing internet connection in PS4. Obtain IP address failed. Cannot connect to the Wi-Fi network. The Wi-Fi network signal might be too weak. You can see these error codes. Solution 1. View connection status to check the signal strength. Here it is 100% signal strength. Solution 2. Try the following actions. Restart your router, restart your PS4 like this. Try the following actions. Solution 3. If any other devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, then disconnect them. Solution 4. Wait for some time and then try again testing the internet connection. Subscribe.